Consistency is what can transform an average student into an excellent student. So guys, if you want to do well during your MBBS, the mantra is very simple. You have to be consistent in your studies. If you cannot study for more than 4 hours a day, try to study 2 hours. If you cannot study for 2 hours, then try to study for 1 hour. Guys, if you stay consistent in your studies, with time you will see that you will be able to finish every textbook that is available in the market. You will be able to finish all your QBank. You will be able to finish all your videos. It's all about doing something every day. We don't have to set bigger targets. We don't have to set that we have to study for 12 hours or we have to study for 10 hours. Even if we do small things every day, we can make a big change in our preparation. And you know, this small effort every day, it will make your life in MBBS very easy. First thing is that you will have no worry about your prof exams if you are consistent in your studies. Then when you will appear for this next exam, you will clear it in the first go and with very good marks, and you will definitely get your branch of your choice and your college of your choice. So guys, just take this one thing from this video, that during your MBBS you will utilize your time very well, and once this time is lost, you will never get it back. Hey guys, I am Dr. Himanshu Gupta and I had secured a rank of 62 in NEET PG 2018. So for the past 3 years, I have been helping students to help them get a good rank in AIIMS, PGI and NEET PG. So today in this video, I am going to discuss with you how you will utilize this online platforms very effectively. So let's begin guys. The first problem that students face is that which platform do we have to choose? Because we have so many options available with us and we get confused that हम choose कौन सा करें. So I want to tell you, instead of wasting too much energy in choosing a platform, I will just advise you that go for any platform that you like, from whatever that you have heard of. Because what I feel that every platform is providing you a lot of things. The problem lies not in the platform or the institute, but the problem lies within us. I have interacted with so many students and I have seen that whatever platform they went for, they were not able to utilize it fully. If 1 lakh students are going for an online course, only 10% of the students are able to utilize the whole QBank, the whole videos. So guys, nowadays the online education is very cheap. So don't think too much before going for any platform. And today in this video, I am going to show you few features about the Marrow Clinical Edition 5. And if you like it, you can always go for this platform as well. So guys, coming to the first question, how do we have to utilize the videos? So I will tell you one very important trick that had helped me during my NEET PG preparation also. So what I used to do before attending any class, I used to look at the notes of the teacher. So you can do the same with your videos as well. So before watching any video of any teacher, what you can do, you can try to have a look at the notes. So what will happen once you look at the notes, you will get an idea on what topics you need to focus more. You will get an idea which topics are tough and which topics are easy. And in the Clinical Edition 5 of the Marrow, what they have done, they have given us time stamping for every topic. So if you have read 10 topics from the notes before, you don't need to watch the full video. So if among the 10 topics you are finding 5 topics tough, so you can just look at the 5 topics only. And guys, in this edition 5, all the videos, they are more clinically oriented. The teachers have tried to teach directly from their wards, directly from the OTs and directly from the OPDs. So guys, this will give you a real-time experience of how you have to deal with the patient, what history you have to ask to a patient, and how you will manage the patient further. So definitely this type of teaching will definitely help you in the new pattern next exam. And guys, after you are finished with the videos and after you are finished with the notes, I would definitely ask you that you should read your standard textbooks. Once you have done this process of reading your notes and going through the videos, it will not take you much time to go through the standard textbook. Now students ask me, sir, what do we have to read in the standard textbook? Guys, whatever topic that you are reading from your notes, you have to read that same topic from your standard textbook. You don't have to read standard textbook page by page. You have to be selective, and this selectivity will come by reading your notes. And guys, once you are finished with the videos, then what you will do, then you will jump onto the question bank. So many students are confused that what is the right time to do the question bank. So guys, there is no right time to do the question bank. The moment you started, that time is the right time. The earlier you begin, the better advantage you will have. Once you start looking at the questions in the third year and final year itself, you will get an overview about what type of questions will be asked in your next exam. Once you get used to the type of questions that are being asked in the exam, what will happen, you will come to know how you have to read also. Because once you will look at the questions, you will get to know on what topics I need to focus on. How do I actually have to understand that topic so that I am able to answer that question in the main exam. So it's a very good practice that if you start doing the questions early in your preparation. And guys, in this QBank you will also see many clinical questions that is definitely going to help you in the next pattern examination. So guys, another question that students ask me, sir, that do we have to make our own notes? I will advise you that gone are the days when we used to make our own notes. You already have the handwritten notes available with you, so try to utilize it. Don't waste your time just writing down the notes. What you can do, you can always add few things that you read from standard textbooks or from other sources into your notes. So basically you have the handwritten notes with you, and what you will do, you will try to add few more things from other resources. And in the edition 5 notes, these notes have been reviewed by the teachers as well. So there are very less mistakes in these notes. And another good feature that I had found in these notes was that, you know, these notes were having the time stamping also. So if there is some topic that you have understood from your notes only, then you don't need to watch the video for that topic. Okay, then you can directly skip the video for that topic. But if there is some topic that you are not understanding, then you can definitely have a look at the video itself. So guys, keep studying hard during your MBBS. Try to utilize everything that is given by an online platform, and definitely you will have a chance to do well in the next exam. All the best, guys.